David Nayan, CEO of Nayure, emphasizes a crucial mantra for startups: don't hesitate, just get started. Nayure embodies a holistic philosophy, intertwining wellness products with sustainability and elegance. Having over a decade of experience, David embarked on his own venture in natural cosmetics in 2022. Nayure focuses on high-quality essential oils, sourced sustainably, directly reaching consumers via Shopify. In its early days, Nayure's team dedicated time to research and development, laying a strong foundation. David knew adopting a production management software was essential for efficient business operations from the start. With a clear vision, David explored various manufacturing software, ensuring it was affordable yet functional. Choosing MRPeasy proved vital. It was affordable, scalable, and perfectly suited for his startup needs. The implementation of MRPeasy was smooth, largely due to its user-friendly online resources and guides. David finds MRPeasy indispensable, streamlining processes and boosting organization, proving it's an exceptional choice.